We can still fly, I think.
I think it can still fly. These are one of the toughest helicopters out here. Okay. Man, this is fast, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh.
We crashed again. Will it still fly? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Greetings. I want to fly K110S Mini 3D helicopter with my Boxer HTX and see how it goes. So. Oh, it's like a bee which is angry, right?
Mm-hmm.
Control it, invert it backward. Invert it forward. Uh-oh, losing it.
Engine disabled.
And I dropped it right there.
It's so fast that I cannot shoot it.
Oh, it's still on its feet. I think we can get it up. Hold on. Yeah, don't have to go there. That's the best thing about these helicopters.
2 minutes.
Okay, low head speed. Oh, why? It's like battery is finishing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, watch this.
Oh. We can still fly, I think.
I think it can still fly. These are one of the toughest helicopters out here. Yeah, no problems. Just put it down here straight and whip it. Oh, hold on. The tail cannot spin. Oh, okay. This is what I want to explain to you. On this helicopter, what happens that the gear comes down and messes up completely your pitches. So now I'm pushing it in and see, yeah, I got my pitches back. So let's see. Yeah. Oh, am I too far?
Cannot see the helicopter in the GoPro.
Yeah, but I think if you follow the GoPro, you should be able to see it. Come on, man, don't go crazy. So in this one, on this one, you can just do the mild 3D.
Timer 1 elapsed.
Okay. Man, this is fast, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh.
We crashed again. Will it still fly? That's the question, right?
No, I don't think this can fly. The tail is out.
Tail is up, it doesn't matter. As far as the gear is okay. Let me see. Yeah, it will still fly. Don't worry. Let's see. Wait, let me just free the tail. There you go. I told you. All right, let's land this baby. This is really one of the best helicopters you would ever have, man. Okay, will it auto land? This is called auto landing. Alright people, thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned, more videos coming your way soon. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right